Dear friends, welcome to the channel, and today we have brought you a very authentic Lahori street food called Chicken Tawa Piece. The chicken is first marinated and then cooked to perfection. This chicken is a wonderful gift for your family and your friends, as this has a wonderful taste and is very juicy. First, we will prepare the marination for this chicken tawa piece, which has many spices inside mixed in yogurt. Next, we will apply this marination on the chicken pieces and marinate for 2 hours. The details of these spices can be found in the description. After 2 hours of marination, it is time to cook our chicken tawa piece. We will take oil in the pan and set the heat to medium settings. Please fry the chicken pieces as shown in the video by constantly changing sides. After some time, use the spatula to press the chicken pieces. This will give them a wonderful texture. Remember to change the sides regularly. Once the texture has been achieved, it is time to add our remaining marination. Evenly spread the marination on the chicken pieces. Please cook for another 5 minutes and remember to keep on changing the sides. We will now place the lid and cook for 10 minutes at medium heat settings. In our next step, we will garnish with our green chilies and cook till all the water evaporates. You can see it for yourself, our chicken tawa piece have come out very nice. The chicken is coated with a lot of masala and is very juicy. At this stage you can add lemons, but that is optional. I hope you enjoyed our very easy and simple chicken tawa piece recipe. And don't forget to press the like button and the bell icon. With this, it is goodbye from us for today, and please take care of yourself and your loved ones. And thanks for visiting our channel.